Number 1 Dragon House. I don't know. Mexican roll fried shrimp.
Oh, salmon and scallop on top.
Oh, okay. Salmon and scallop on top. It's a sushi roll. What are there?
You can sit over there. Sit down, yeah?
So we're thinking about having a picnic, so we stopped here at the Asian restaurant to grab some food, and then we're gonna head down to the beach.
Thank
We
you.
all set for a picnic. We got silverware.
Yeah. For taxi. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Good girl, Moo-moo.
I just gotta turn right up here.
Yeah, then it brings you out to the light. No, not right, left. Then brings you out to the light.
Oh. I figured it was right down here.
Yeah, turn it this way. But see the bridge? You can't get to the bridge. You have to go around this way to get to the bridge. This is it, London Bridge right here. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. We can, but let's go eat at the park. Yeah. You need to turn there. Let's go straight, dude. I remember outside, come on. What? Good girl.
I'm Rick.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you, too.
Nice to meet you. Hi, how's it going? I'm Rick. What's your name?
Mick.
Nick.
Good to meet you,
Good
Rick.
to meet you. I'm living out of my Prius.
Okay,
It's like at least a third of the gas
right.
price for gas
bet.
to go back and forth, and it's
I'll
like
bet.
because what I really want after seeing Bob's rig, I was like, I want a van with a high top. I mean, that's
Oh, yeah,
that's the way
definitely.
to go.
Good setup.
So,
Meet Moo-moo.
yeah. Moo-moo, come here.
You're the star of the show, right?
She is the star of the show.
We were
Maybe
at.
was it the RTR?
No, he was in videos at when we were in Ehrenberg and stuff.
and
Yeah.
RGR, and I think he's talking about when we were at the slabs.
And you know, I'm originally from Buffalo, New York, and they got the Buffalo Lighthouse, like the little mini.
Oh,
They
really?
got the Buffalo Lighthouse right there, and then my brother was in North Carolina, and that other lighthouse on the other side is the North Carolina.
Yeah,
It was
let's
nice
see
meeting
around.
you. So, see, this is where they have the swimming, where it's marked off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they rent jet skis.
Yeah, there's a, and they also do paddle boards and kayaks and stuff. You can just go out.
Yeah, Duck was talking about some company where they take you up and drop you off, and they do it's a 5 mile
Oh, yeah, yeah.
thing he wants to do.
Right, that's at a
You
different
can kayak or
location.
canoe, or he's gonna paddleboard it.
Right.
Stop along the way on the banks,
Yeah, that's a different location though than this
but
is.
it ends here somewhere.
Yeah.
Some companies do it.
Oh, yeah.
Or the white sauce.
Oh, yeah, the white sauce.
Darn it.
Oh, wow.
What is this? Soy. Oh, we got these. Is that the hot mustard?
Think so. So, did they just put them all together?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. That must be.
So we got the, what was this? The Philadelphia roll?
Yeah, and the other one's the California.
California. What's in here?
That's
Ooh.
Rangoon and
Ragoon and some egg roll.
she didn't give napkins.
Oh no. I love crab ragoon. One of my favorite things. Nice and crispy. How was it?
Good.
It is good.
A lot of crab in them.
You can have them smushed up in here. How is it? It's hard to get out of there. They're smushed up in there.
The rice is sticky.
Ginger helps clean your palate. Ginger. Ooh, look at that. Yummy. That bird is trying to steal my GoPro. Get out of there. It's trying to get on film. Vegetable egg roll. Yummy. Alright, straight up salmon with a little bit of rice. I can get my hair out of my face. That's actually pretty good. You should try it.
Is it?
Need some soy sauce though. Hi. Bye, awesome beach. It's been fun. Right inside. Good girl. Ooh, radio-controlled airplane. So we decided to stop here at Harbor Freight and take a look around, walk off some of the lunch. Always a lot to look at here at Harbor Freight. Solar rope lights, $14. Oh yeah,
That'll
anti-fatigue mats.
That'll give it that padding,
Right.
and then put the rug over that.
Yeah, it's good for your back. What'd you get? Just tools and stuff?
Yeah, I needed a jigsaw and then the
Rotary toolkit.
Yeah, like a Dremel
Cool.
to be able to cut precise holes in the camper.
Right.
That's what we used to put that door latch on yesterday.
Solar needs for beginners.
Silicone.
Oh, tires. Small little bitty tires. Inverters. Yay!
Tear some things out.
Hey, Moo-moo.
All kinds of food. $6.
That's pretty cheap for lunch.
We're at first date there.
Yay, Hobby Lobby. So I don't know if this is a common occurrence, but there are two guys passed out in the car. One was actually had his mouth open, and the other one had his head down. I guess they're waiting on their wives or whatever.
But I got a bunch of the
Oh yeah,
greenery, you know, to put some greenery in my house.
yeah. Right. Oh, so pretty. Yes, it's all fun and games until you break it. That's so pretty. Oh, look at big letters.
Put them on the
For
outside.
blind people.
Put them on the outside. I bought this one.
That's nice
We
though.
gotta hang
I
that
like
one
it.
up. And it's got hooks.
Yeah, I have the shells, but you'll
Projectile.
probably have to put some kind of
I'm gonna
bungee.
put a bungee across it when we travel.
Right.
But this one would
That's
be
nifty though.
neat.
Yeah, I like that one too
Got
because it
hooks,
has
too. Yeah,
Right.
stuff won't fall. What other
neato.
one did I buy? I bought like
Oh, look
four
at that
of
one up there. That's cool.
them. Oh yeah. This girl runs on cupcakes and Jesus.
Okie dokie. No boys allowed except Daddy. That's too funny.
Creepy.
Panda! More pandas. More oversized letters for the blind. That's funny.
Put Colleen in there.
Oh no, that's mean.
Safe for travel.
That's cool looking.
Metal.
I freaking love those chairs. Those are awesome. 30% off. How much are they? 79, not about 80 bucks. Wow, those are cool.
50.
Do you need some baskets? There you go. You want to use that as a sink?
Yeah, all you gotta do is drill a hole in the bottom for your drain,
Right.
and then the spout over it.
That's
but
cool.
I don't know if this
Very
is
rustic looking.
actually waterproof. I would do
Oh, yeah.
probably not.
Probably not. Wow, this must be a theme. A lot of blind people out there. You can always inset that into your door. Then you'd have a peek window.
A nice back scratcher. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you go. It's pretty big.
Oh, yeah.
And a Colleen hat.
Oh yeah.
You're styling there.
I like it.
Oh my god, it's an aisle of eggs. Nothing but eggs.
This.
You want what? That?
Yeah.
That's oh, I like that. That's cool.
And actually, if I put a metal loop here and on the bottom.
You can put, yeah.
Just put a rod through it.
Oh yeah,
That
yeah.
will keep them from falling out during travel.
Right, that's cool.
Complete with the
Yeah, trash
black
can.
curlies in there already.
That one, I really, really like that one. That one's awesome looking.
Ooh, I may have to come back and get that sucker.
Bye, Hobby Lobby. Crazy people! Crazy! What are y'all doing?
Well, Molly went inside.
Oh, to Hobby Lobby?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We must have just missed her.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye! Hi, Moo-moo. Come on, bye!
Got your GoPro?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw that table, man. It jumped out and attacked you.
Whatever.
I told you, I don't take requests.
Look that way. Go ahead, y'all.
You pulled out that time. I pulled out of you, so it's okay.
What the heck?
I didn't hear that. You hear what Beth said to Seth? I just pulled out, so it's okay.